Hey there! Welcome to Dividing by Zero. I'm Dana, founder and full-time middle school math teacher. I help other special educators achieve the impossible with mathemagical resources designed especially for middle school. If you've been looking for a better way to write and implement math IEP goals for grades 6 through 8, you are in the right place. Come take a look at one of my IEP goal and task card sets. This set is designed especially for 8th graders who are learning to use Pythagorean Theorem to solve for the hypotenuse. This game-changing resource includes a ready-made IEP goal about Pythagorean Theorem, along with suggestions for customizing the goal to meet the specific needs of your student. You also get an item bank of 40 task cards that are perfectly aligned to the goal. These task cards are all you'll need for baseline assessment and progress monitoring throughout the IEP year. You can also use the task cards for instruction and independent practice. It's super easy to grade and collect work samples with the included answer key and student response sheet. Whether you're a spreadsheet lover or a paper person, I've got you covered. This resource includes both a formatted Google Sheet and a printable PDF for data collection. I've also included written instructions and ideas for using this resource in your classroom. Find even more support on my website, dividing-by-0.com. Thanks so much for watching, and please reach out with any questions.